Okay, I ended up getting this cedar bed from Home Depot, and everyone says that it kept falling through, so I got some wood supports to go underneath, and I got some screws to screw it in. And I got the elevated cedar garden bed. Here are the dimensions, if you need to see that. Okay, really quickly, online, if you read the reviews for this bed, people say it's trash because it keeps falling through and collapsing. And that's because all of the weight is going here, right? This is where all the slats are gonna sit on, and it's only held by these little screws. So everybody's garden beds kept falling through. So what I did to amend this is I got some screws. The guy in the review said he just added screws here to reinforce it. So I'm gonna do that. And what he said was screws came with it, which I didn't see, but there are. Because in the packaging and in the directions, it doesn't say anything about screws coming with it, like when you look on Home Depot's website. But here are all the screws. So I'm gonna do that. Also, if you see these wooden pieces here, this is 1 by 4 by 8. I had them cut it down to 45 inches, and I'm gonna put a support underneath of it. So it's gonna be like, this is gonna be here, this is gonna be here. You'll see when I do it. And then the woods, the actual slats, they go this way. Oops. They go like this, right? So I'm gonna screw the screws in here, and everybody said this is what kept falling out. This is gonna be underneath to support it. So let's see how it works. And I was not really precise on my measurement. I just kind of guessed in the store because I didn't want to put it together and then have to come back to Home Depot. So with it and the pack. So you need to Okay, here's how we're looking so far. We're almost done. We got this cut and measured, and this is gonna go on the bottom. So once I'm done screwing this in, I'm gonna put this underneath here on the bottom and screw it in. So a lot of videos, people don't screw these in, but I'm gonna screw mine in for just extra support so nothing falls apart. And that's how you do it, folks. With a little adjustment, I think if you get this cedar box from Home Depot, it'll be a fine, mighty fine addition to your garden. But I think it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna buy another one and do the same thing.